Welcome to ZQ's programming language. This tutorial is for C# programming for beginners, and this is part 1. Okay, after this tutorial you should have a basic idea of what C# is, be able to identify and read a C# program, and be able to write a simple console application in C#. So what is C#? It's a type-safe and object-oriented programming language. It is a platform-neutral, written to work well with the Microsoft .NET framework. So this is a simple C# program, and this is a console application. C# recognizes a method main as the default entry point of execution. The main method optionally takes an array of string arguments. Static void main can also be written as static int main, which returns an integer value to the execution environment. The compiler compiles the source code, could be more than one file with CS extensions, into an assembly. Whenever you see a .cs, that is a source code for C#. A .vb would be the source code for Visual Basic. A .cc for C++, .c for C. An assembly is a set of packaging to be executed in .NET, either an application or a library. A Windows or console application has a main method and is an exe. A library is a DLL without any entry point. C# syntax. C# syntax is based on C and C++ syntax, and also very similar to Java. A C, C++, or Java programmer can adapt to C# very easily, or vice versa. Let's look at C#'s element of syntax using our previous sample. Identifiers or names programmers choose for their classes, methods, variables, and so on, such as system, demo, main, console, and write line. C# identifiers are case sensitive. My ID and my with the capital M ID are not the same variable. Keywords are reserved names used by the compiler that cannot be used as identifiers, such as static, class, void, int, and many more. We need to avoid conflicts such as class. This is illegal class declaration. Contextual keywords. Some are contextual, some keywords are contextual, and that means they can also be used as identifiers, and these are contextual keywords: add, get, let, set, ascending, global, on, value, and so forth. Literals, punctuators, operators. Literals are primitive pieces of data embedded into the program. In our example, hello world is a literal. It's a string data, it's a primitive data embedded in the program. Punctuators help separate the structure of the program, such as semicolon and brackets. The semicolon is used to terminate a statement. int a equals 0, semicolon. The semicolon terminates this statement here. Operators transform a combined expressions. Usually these are in the form of symbols such as mathematical operator and such as this. Comment. C# offers two styles of source code documentation. The first one is a single line comment. You will use double backslash and then type your comment. For multiple comments, it begins with the backslash with the asterisk and the block of text with the asterisk and backslash. And here is a example of multiple comments. Okay, this is the end of part 1, C# programming for beginners.